In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a broadcast campaign in ActiveCampaign. We'll walk through the entire process from creating the campaign to designing your email, all the way to sending or scheduling it. By the end, you'll feel confident sending a one-time broadcast to your list. First, inside your ActiveCampaign account, look to the left-hand side menu and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns live. At the top, you'll see an option to create a new campaign. Go ahead and click Create a Campaign. This starts the setup workflow. You'll be asked to enter a campaign name. This name is for your internal use only, so choose something that helps you recognize the purpose of this broadcast later, like March newsletter or product launch reminder. Once you've named it, make sure the campaign type is set to standard. This tells ActiveCampaign you're sending a one-time broadcast, not an automated sequence. Then click Next to move forward. On the next screen, you'll select your list. You'll see one or more checkboxes that represent the lists in your account. Choose the list or lists that should receive this email. Be intentional here. Only select contacts who should actually get this message, especially if it's time-sensitive or promotional. When you're happy with your selection, click Next. Now it's time to choose a template. ActiveCampaign will show you a variety of design options, like newsletters, announcements, or simple text-based layouts. You can pick one that matches the style of your email, or if you prefer complete control, choose the option to start from scratch. This is great if you already know exactly how you want your email to look. Once your template is loaded, you'll be taken into the design editor. Here, you can edit the text, add images, buttons, and links, and adjust colors and spacing to match your brand. Take a moment to proofread your content carefully, test all links, and make sure the message is clear and concise. When your email looks the way you want, click. Next, to move into the campaign summary. On the summary page, you'll set your subject line. This is what your subscribers will see in their inbox, so make it clear and compelling. You can also add preview text if your account supports it, which gives a short snippet next to the subject. Next, decide when to send your broadcast. If you want to schedule it for a future date and time, turn on the scheduling option and choose the exact day and time that works best for your audience. If you're ready to send immediately, simply leave scheduling turned off. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Send Now. ActiveCampaign will ask you to confirm. Click Send Now one more time, and your broadcast campaign will be on its way to your selected contacts.